after
the last part to the summit.
very nice view.
There's a technique how we do training in the glacier. Amazing for a ride to the top.
Beautiful.
The other team is there in the top waiting for us. They are more fast with us. It's amazing, unbelievable.
We
But
were
it's,
the last in the refuge.
yes, we was the last in the refuge. We leave the last in the refuge. We arrive first in the summit. Why is that?
Good training.
Good training and acclimatization. Nice.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
Here's the rest of the team. Francesca, are you feeling good, Francesca? Good. There's the team, our team from Switzerland and Ecuador, led by Ecuadorian Alpine Institute. There is my new guide, Jaime. We're excellent guide, amazing man. Congratulations. It's unbelievable. There's the crater over here. In the background is the Kilindanya mountain in the background. I'm sorry, I'm tired also for climbing. This is the top. This is the crater from Cotopaxi. Look, amazing caldera over there. And this is the ring. Over there you can see this the summit from the south face, and the rain is coming like that. This is the picture of the film for Cotopaxi today. In the background we can see Chimborazo as well. There is Chimborazo and Latacunga Valley and Bato Valley, and here we can see Ilinizas, where it's nice for acclimatization, and then the valley, Machachi Valley. We can see from here the direction Quito. In the south, the north from here, again I meet with guides over there in the front of pass. It's Inchulao Mountain. Here, with a nice shadow and photo with the with the Francesca, is Antisana Mountain over there. This is Antisana. Okie dokie, nice. 100% this film. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you, same to you. Thank you so much.
Okay.